Welcome back. Malaysia's investment landscape remains a key driver of economic growth, particularly in the private sector. Bank Negara Malaysia Deputy Governor Datuk Marzuddin Hisham Omar said that total investment is projected to expand by 9.3% this year, following a robust growth of 12.12% in 2024. Private investment is expected to grow by approximately 10.1% in 2025.
We expect that total investment to expand by 9.3% this year after growing by 12% last year. Private investment is projected to grow by around 10.1% in 2025. Several factors will help to support our investment. The first is sustained domestic and external demand. Second, also the positive investor sentiment. Firms continue to have access to financing, and importantly, we are noticing that all the projects that have been approved are being implemented.
During his keynote address at the 2025 BNM Governor's Address on Malaysia's economy in Kuala Lumpur on Wednesday, Marzuddin Hisham outlined key factors supporting the country's investment growth, including strong domestic and external demand, positive investor sentiment and continued access to financing, ensuring efficient project implementation. Investment is increasingly driven by both foreign direct investment and domestic sources, with 55% of approved investments in 2024 coming from local investors. Government-driven projects have also played a crucial role in sustaining this growth. Malaysia is currently in its third investment upcycle, which began in mid-2023, marking a period of sustained growth that strengthens the country's economic resilience and outlook. With its conducive investment environment, Malaysia remains well-positioned to attract new investors while retaining existing ones. Meanwhile, Marzuddin Hisham announced that Bank Negara Malaysia will collaborate with its ASEAN counterparts to encourage businesses to use local currencies in regional trade. As Malaysia holds the ASEAN Chairmanship this year, BNM's focus is on exploring ways to strengthen inter-regional trade and investment flows within the region.
And we are also looking at how the financial sector can come together to help finance some of the major sustainable projects in the region. So these are some of the priorities that Malaysia, as the chair of ASEAN, that are taking on this year in the finance agenda.
A series of discussions will take place during the upcoming ASEAN Finance Ministers and Central Bank Governors meeting, and related meetings to be held beginning April 7th to 10th, 2025.